How to make an ugly character on EAFC 25. So, Clubs is by far the game mode that I most play on EAFC 25 and in the past EA games too. And one of the funniest things that me and my friends do every year is try to create our characters as ugly as possible. So, I'm gonna show you which I think is the ugliest one that we have. If you are new on the game and do not know how to personalize your AI characters, you just go to my club, customize, and then an option of AI players will appear, and then you can personalize every single one of them, and they are going to appear on the game if there is not a real person player on the position. So to create this masterpiece that you are seeing, we had a lot of work. And if you're not familiar with the EA games, EA did add a whole bunch of new options for customization. So I'm gonna show you how to create exactly this character, but pay attention to not miss anything. So you won't need any specific preset of this, because like I said before, we are going to customize it. So just select a random one and go to Sculpt and then Advanced Sculpt. So starting with head, skeletal and skull, we're going to widen, up, neutral, angular, and shift right. Then skull crown, widen, up, forward, shift right. Skull back, widen, down, forward, round, and shift right. And then temples, widen, down, back, and round. Then we're going to flash, you put it on more, and fat, there is nothing. Moving up to the forehead, we are going to forehead, skeletal, upper forehead, and put it on widen, forward, up, round, and shift right. Lower forehead, widen, down, forward, and round. And then flash, there is nothing, and fat, you put forehead center, down and more, and forehead sides, up and more. Moving up to the jaw, we're going to put skeletal, jaw, narrow, up, back, and angular. Inside jaw top, widen, up, forward, and angular. Inside jaw bottom, narrow, up, forward, and angular. And then we are going to flash, you put all on less, and fat, you put up and less too. So moving up to ears, there isn't a lot of things that you can do it, so you can follow only these ones that you're gonna save some time. The other ones aren't gonna change that much. Now the cheeks, we are going to start on skeletal, cheeks, everything to the right, widen, up, forward, and angular. Flash, up and more. Upper outside cheeks, more. Upper inside eyes, up and more. Up inside cheeks, more. Lower outside cheeks, neutral. This one is neutral too. And then we are going to the fat. Starting on upper cheeks, up and more. Up and more and less, on the lower cheeks. Jaw, you can put up and less. Cheeks inside upper, you put down and more. Cheeks inside lower, you put up and less. And temples, you put up and more. So moving up to the chin, starting chin, skeletal, chin, widen, down, forward, angular, and you can put it on the middle here. Upper chin, you're going to narrow, down, forward, angular, and almost everything to the right, to the shift right. Flash, chin cleft, you put up in this in the middle. Chin sides, everything to less. And in the fat, you put chin on down and more. Under chin, up and less. To the neck, we didn't customize it, we picked the neck 27, and this will do the head. Now we are going to move up to the face, where you can customize the eyes, eyebrows, nose, mouth. And starting with the eyes, the eyes are a lot of things, so pay attention. Started with skeletal, eye sockets, everything narrowed down and back, and the eyes narrowed down, back, and smaller. So now flash, eyelid fold center, widen, up, back, and smaller. Eyelid fold outer, up and larger. Eyelid fold inner, widen and down. And then in the fat, eyelid upper, up and less. Eyelid lower, up and less. And everything, I believe it is up and less, yes. So there we go, we have the eyes. Now moving up to the eyebrows. We are going to have brows, skeletal, eyebrows, narrow up, forward, angular, eyebrow center, narrow down, forward, angular, and you can put it here on the middle. Eyebrows outside top, narrow up, forward, and round. Now flash, eyebrow center, down, more, eyebrow gap, down and more, and fat, we don't have anything. Now moving up to the nose, we have nose, skeletal, nose, widen, down, forward, round, and you can put it here on in the middle. Nose bridge sides, widen, down, back, and angular. Nose bridge center, narrow down, back, round, and you can put it right here. Nose bridge upper, narrow down, back, round, in the same position as the other one. Flash, nostril upper, everything to the right, widen, up, and forward. Nostril upper, alter the same configuration. And this one's too. Nostril lower, the same thing. And then fat, nose, and more. So moving up to mouth, it is a lot of things, small things, but things that make a difference in the end. So mouth, we're going to skeletal, narrow down, back, angular, and you can put it here. Mouth outside top, narrow down, back, and angular. And then the flash, these are the configuration. There are a lot of things, so I'm gonna be passing it. And then on mouth fat, we go to mouth sides, up, less, upper lip. Almost everything up and less, lower lip down and almost everything less. And then we have it, the mouth. You're going to pick pastel pink on the hair color and on the eyebrow and the facial hair color. Hairstyle 27, eyebrows 201, S-shaped and high arch. And there you go. This is how you make one of the ugliest characters on EAFC 25. Thank you for watching.